In this video, I'm going to show you how we can change the country or region on the Google Play Store. First, we need to open the Google Play Store and click on our profile on the top right. Now we scroll down until we see this option Payment and Subscriptions. Now we click on Payment Methods and we need to click down where it says more options or more settings. And now what you need to do is we need to click on those three dots on the top right. Now we need to scroll down and click on settings. And now we scroll down again. And we have two options. So first we have languages. And here we can add a different language and we can click on addresses and more. And here we can add an address. As you can see for me, it's set to Germany right now. And here we can easily change the country or region from the Google Play Store. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.